Good morning. Task 4 Oral Productions. Present by Rui Mayor Jimenez. Present to Manuel Andrés Figueroa. Group 825. My presentation is from the bibliography of the Cristiano Ronaldo. Cristiano was born on 1985. Cristiano is considered of the best players. He became one of the Manchester United, Real Madrid, and Portugal. His passion was earned at the age of 10. He became the best player of the under-16, under-17, under-18. His skills began to attract the attention of big European teams. He was awarded the Golden Bat in 2017. He won the Golden Boot award. In 2014, he won the award for the best player in Europe. Thank you.